I'm going to show you right now how each of them look like. The first thing is a chat system where you can chat with your team either directly in Spaces or inside of direct DM chats. We've added user mentions. We're adding also ability to mention apps, files, to-dos right inside of chat so that you can work with all the information without leaving liftOS. And the next thing we would like to do is to connect it to Slack or Microsoft Teams to really centralize your communications. Next up, we've shipped AI. It's right now only inside of our note application. It can generate you a note content and it can help you summarize or make it more concise or fix the language of all of your content. It's a baby step in terms of what we would like to do with AI. Soon we'll be adding, hopefully in the month of July, more exciting AI features inside liftOS, but here is a glimpse of how it will look like and it will work like inside of each application. The next ability is very important. It's the ability to publish your spaces and have everybody access them without inviting them to your workspace. Simply by clicking publish, you will be sharing your space and all the apps to the public, and with the link that you can copy, we'll do this and we'll go into one of our new features, test it out, which is Lift Browser. Hitting Command G, goes to Lift Browser, we can paste the public link here, and as you'll see, the space we've created is now available and visible to everybody who has that link. If you're sharing anything with your clients, if you're sharing anything with people, external people who would like to have access to any information that you've created inside of your amazing workspaces and spaces, just simply click publish and share that link, similar to some other software that is also doing this. Very simple, very easy to use, and try it out yourself and share this information with others. On the next function, as you can see from the sidebar, there's a star icon. I click that, and then in any space, I can reach any other application that I'm working with. So for example, in my development space, I have liftOS features, but I'm currently in Eggers space working on some personal or some product related things. I can simply click and access that quickly favorites the application. Inside of my developer space, with the new star icon, we can reach and quickly work with any application. And then, very exciting feature, we've shipped our fourth application. After notes, files, to-dos, now we have whiteboards. You can draft, you can brainstorm, you can put all of your ideas in a visual canvas to work with your team. And it's collaborative. Up to 1,000 people can work at the same time, very similar to Miro or other applications, and it works as the other applications do, side by side and together. And the final thing, as you've suggested a lot, is the ability to create multiple workspaces. So for example, I have a Eggers personal workspace, I have a workspace for liftOS, and we have multiple other workspaces. So this way, very happy to share with you all the things we shipped in June. There's many other small things, but that couldn't fit in this update. And hopefully in July, we'll ship some very big and exciting things, and looking forward as always with your feedback. Thanks a lot for sharing, and thanks a lot for using liftOS.